How to use audio from Instagram Reels. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to any of the reel that audio you want to use. Open the reel. At the right corner of the reel, you will find a fun option. At the bottom, you'll find the option of music. You have to click on that. With that, you will be directed to the page of the audio. In this page, you will be able to find all the videos that you have used this audio. Now there are two options to use this audio. You can either save it, or in case you want to use this audio right away, click on the option Use Audio. With that, your gallery will open up. Now I can shoot the video, or you can select any of the video from your gallery to use it for this reel. Once you select it, click on Next. Now from here, you are able to edit this reel. At the bottom, you will find different features of Instagram. Once you are done, click on Next and upload it. So this way you are able to use audio from Instagram Reels. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.